A great meal often begins with the right kitchen companion. In this video covering the best reasons to buy a basics rice cooker today, discover why so many households are choosing this practical cooking solution. The right rice cooker can save time, bring comfort to busy days, and help create enjoyable family meals, making every dining experience feel more satisfying and meaningful. Number 1. Green Life Rice Cooker. Healthy ceramic non-stick interior. Green Life's healthy and easy to clean ceramic non-stick is fuss-free, derived from sand and delivers effortless release with quick cleanup. 6 cups cooked rice. Effortlessly cooks 6 cups of rice, doubling the raw rice amount, giving you plenty for family meals or larger gatherings. Compact space-saving design. Ideal for smaller kitchens, this mini rice cooker's compact design fits easily on your countertop, without sacrificing capacity. Perfect for apartments and limited counter space. Simple one-touch operation. Choose between white or brown rice with just a press of a button, making cooking even easier with the simple flip of a switch. Easy to clean, removable, dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal. Number 2. Comfy Mini Rice Cooker. 4 cups cooked, 2 cups capacity. This small rice cooker has 4 cups cooked capacity, perfect for single, couple. The portable size and convenient side handles make it easy to store in a small kitchen and convenient takeout camping. Ultimate versatility. This electric rice cooker cooks a variety of dishes, not just rice. 6 digital cooking programs include quick rice, brown rice, oatmeal, soup, cake and stew, perfectly satisfying different cooking needs. Effortless operation. This multi-use programmable rice cooker is user-friendly with LCD touch control panel, automatic keep warm for 24 hours, 24-hour delay timer. Extremely fast cooking, 30 minutes, so you can be flexible with your cooking plans. Easy to clean. The non-stick inner pot, steam valve base and upper lid are removable, making cleaning a breeze. Number 3. Cooker Micom Rice Cooker. 6 cup uncooked, 9 multifunctional options. Enjoy and explore popular menu options such as white, glutinous, rice, brown rice, and porridge, as well as steam and multi-cook to prepare soups, stews, and more. Ideal 6 cup serving capacity. The 6 cup, 12 cups cooked rice cooker provides an ideal serving amount for small to medium-sized families or gatherings. Smart, automated cooking. Enjoy effortless cooking as the smart cooking function is designed to cook delicious rice every use. Customized rice cooking. Cooking is made easy at the press of a button with the My Mode function that customizes textures and flavors for rice and grains. Cooku, tested and true. Internationally known for its top-tier quality and with over 40 years of industry experience, Cooku ensures all products are crafted with integrity and care. Number 4. Aroma Housewares ARC 363 1NGB3 Uncooked. Multifunctional use. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty jambalaya, steamed veggies and rice, or a belly-warming soup, you can accomplish it all with your rice cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are. One-touch operation. This cooker is a proud member of our set it and forget it mentality. The one-touch operation is foolproof. Just fill it, power on, and cook. BPA-free simultaneous steaming. With the included steam tray, steam foods above while rice, soup, or any other meal simultaneously cooks below, allowing you to save time without sacrificing quality. Automatic keep warm. Switches to keep warm mode automatically once the cooking cycle is completed to keep your foods at perfect serving temperatures.